Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change orientation in Word document. So guys, if you are using Microsoft Word any version, setting is same for every Microsoft Word document. Click on this orientation in layout tab. Almost you will find this setting in layout. To change orientation, click here this drop down and select portrait or select landscape. Give your pages a portrait or landscape layout. And guys, if you want to print as portrait or orientation, so select file and print, and you have to select and you have to change from here for this setting for printer. So select portrait or landscape. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you or not.